Welcome back, folks. Today, we're diving into the world of cutting-edge car audio technology with the PLZ wireless double-din car stereo. Buckle up because we're about to explore why this is the best car Android stereo available in the market. Let's kick things off by talking about connectivity. This bad boy supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, meaning no more fussing with cables every time you hop in your car. Just fire up your phone, and you're ready to roll with seamless integration. But it's not just about connectivity, it's about enhancing your driving experience. With voice control capabilities, you can keep your eyes on the road and let Siri or Google Assistant handle the rest. From making calls to navigating with Google Maps or Waze, it's all at your fingertips. Now, let's talk about sound quality. With a built-in DSP and 4.2 channels delivering a whopping 240 W, this stereo will have you feeling like you're in the front row of a concert. And with 2 subwoofer outputs, get ready to feel the bass like never before. And hey, if you're into mirroring your smartphone screen, this stereo has got you covered. Whether you're streaming movies, music, or videos, enjoy it all on the crystal clear 7-inch HD touchscreen. Now, let's talk safety. With support for front and rear view cameras, parking just got a whole lot easier. And with automatic display when reversing or parking, you can maneuver with confidence, even in tight spots. Before you hit that buy button, here are a few tips. Make sure to double-check your dash size and wiring harness compatibility. And don't forget to read the instructions thoroughly before installation. But don't just take my word for it. Customers are raving about this stereo, praising its ease of installation, performance, and, of course, the sound quality. From older vehicles to newer models, it's been a hit across the board. And there you have it, folks. The PLZ wireless double-din car stereo, the best companion for your car journeys. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more reviews on the latest and greatest tech. Until next time, drive safe and stay tuned.